How to open an account on Discover Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can open an account on Discover Bank. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser on either your mobile device or your desktop, and in the web address bar, simply type in discover.com. Now you will be taken to the official homepage of Discover Bank, where you'll have to simply hover your mouse over the online banking tab and then simply click on it. After that, simply tap on the option online savings account. Now, once you've done that, you can see the option open an account near the top right side of the screen. Simply tap on it. After that, you'll have to choose whether you are new to Discover Bank or you already are a Discover customer. So we'll simply tap on the option new to Discover. After that, you'll have to enter your personal information such as your first name, middle name, last name, suffix, SSN, social security number, or your taxpayer identification number. After that, you'll have to confirm your SSN or your TIN by typing it again in the box below. After that, you'll have to enter your date of birth and finally your mother's maiden name. Now, once you've entered all of these, you'll have to complete a CAPTCHA to prove that you are not a robot. So let me do all of these real quick. Now you will be taken to this page where you'll have to enter your address information such as your address line 1, your city, state, zip code, email address, and finally your phone number. So simply enter all of these. Now once you've entered all of these details, tap on the option continue. After that, you'll have to choose your country of citizenship and your occupation. After that, tap on the option continue. After that, you'll have to answer all of these questions. So simply do all of these and then tap on the option continue. After that, if you have an offer code, you can simply enter it over here. But if you don't have, simply tap on the option continue without code. Now scroll down and then tap on the option agree and continue. Now you'll have to again scroll down and then tick on this box right over here. After that, once you tap on the option continue, you will be taken to this page where you'll have to again scroll down, tick on this box and then tap on the option agree and submit. Now, if you want, you can make an initial deposit, but if you don't, you can simply skip this process. I'll make a deposit later. And now you'll have to call this number right over here and then complete your application. And once you've called this number to complete your application, you'll have successfully opened a bank account on Discover Bank. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.